Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we start this, welcome back to my channel. If you're new in my channel, my name is Catalina. I'm a mom of two. I'm doing this because I want to reduce my my debt, and I want to save for some goals that I have with my family. And before we start this video, I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone that is subscribing, to every comment, to every like. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate all of you guys. So before we start this, today we're just gonna be condensing and counting my envelopes to see how much we save this entire month. And before we start counting, I just want to show you guys the new stuff that I bought. So the first stuff, in my last video I told you guys about this. I bought this new challenge in Etsy. So it's a 12-month challenge. She gave me a freebie right here. Thank you. I'm gonna put this to the side. And we have this. I think I'm gonna start using this. I don't usually use this. I just go to the bank and I tell them, oh, let me have some 20s, 10s, 5s, and $5 and ones. But I think I'm gonna start using this because it's easier to do that. I'm gonna put it to the side. And this is the $12 monthly challenge. I don't know if I'm gonna start doing it this year or maybe next year, but I don't know. I think maybe I will start it next year instead of doing it this year. Or maybe I don't know. I'm gonna figure out the way. But this is one of the new challenges that I have. I'm gonna put it to the side. And I bought this thing in Amazon. Some markers so I can pen my challenges, the 7 challenges. Okay, I'm gonna put this to the side. This is how they look. They're so cute. I'm gonna try it off camera to see how they work, and if I don't like it, I'm gonna send it back to Amazon because I'm not keeping anything that I don't like. So this is how they look. I'm gonna put it to the side right here. And then I bought a new calculator that I saw this in TikTok, and I was like, I need one of those. So I bought this. Isn't this cute? Now I have this too, right? And these are the only ones that I'm gonna have. I like both of them. I'm gonna use this one today, so yeah. I'm gonna put this right here. Okay guys, we're gonna start doing this now. So let me put this to the side. Let me move a little bit forward here. I hope you guys don't see my face. So I'm gonna start by my main binder, which is this one. Let me open this. I also bought a new phone holder because I'm sure that you guys can tell the difference from my other holder. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this here. So we're gonna start by Emily. So Emily started the month with $75, and now we have 110. So it's gonna be 110 minus 75. So we have a plus 35. Let me get my pen. So we ended the month with 110. And it's a plus 35. Also, William is the same thing. You guys know that I put the same amount in both of them. Let me just write it down. But let's count it. Right here, so we have 110. So emergency fund started with 125. So now we have 100, 120, 140, 150, 160, 170, 175, 180, 185. So we ended the month with 185. So this is gonna be 185 minus 125. So it's a plus 60. Okay, we're gonna put this back in. So home fund started the month with $255. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 500, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 600, 10, 15, 20. So we ended the month with $620 in home funds. $620. So we ended the month with 620 minus 25. So we have, it's a plus 365. Wow. So health started the month with $35. Now we have 20, 40, 50, 55. So that's a plus 20. So Carmenton started the month with 115. So we have 100, 120, 140, 150. So 150. And I'm gonna use my calculator because it's new and we got her. 150 minus 115 is gonna be plus 35. So Snowball, let me go to my next binder. So in my next binder, Snowball started the month with 105. And now we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 605. So we ended the month with $605. 605 minus 105 equals to 500. So it's gonna be a plus 500. So in the meantime, before we get a little bit too deep in this, so you guys know that I used to have a family time envelope, and I also used to have a clothing envelope. I took both of them out because I want to really concentrate in the most important envelopes that I have and increase the amount in them instead of splitting them in things that I don't really need. Clothing, I usually buy clothes from Shein for my kids, and I pay every 2 weeks or every 2 weeks or every 1 week. I haven't started buying things for them, as I told you guys in my last video, but I'm gonna be taking that amount out of my credit card. I won't have to stuff it in my envelope and put it back in my bank. So I'm not gonna, that's why I don't have the envelopes here. And that's why you see my envelopes are reducing a little bit, because I want to concentrate on this ones more, and instead of adding more envelopes than increasing the ones that I have. I don't know if that makes sense. So Black Friday ended the month with 65. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. So we have 100 minus 65. So it's gonna be a plus 35. So gift ended the month with $20. So now we have 20, 40, 45, 50, 55. So it's gonna be 55 minus 20 costume. It's gonna be a plus 35. Like, the gift envelope is not that necessary for me, but because I usually kind of buy stuff for my partner in like Father's Day, anniversary, or maybe sometimes it's my mom or my sister, sometimes I buy gift for them, so that's why I kept it. Christmas, I told you guys I'm not a person that actually decorates their house in the seasons of Christmas and all of those things, but I don't know, I just want to keep it in case I get to be that type of person, and I want to have a decent amount to start decorating with. That's why I also kept it. So Christmas started the month with $30. Now we have 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. So we have $50. So that is a plus 20. And the family envelope, I didn't put it because it's something that I take money at the end of the month, so I don't think I have to count it, because it's we always try to make sure I have the right amount in there. So that's why it's not in my sinking funds update. So let's go to my savings challenges. So we're gonna start with our $1 savings challenge. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh Jesus, let me start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we have $21 in our $1 savings challenge. So receipt, $1 savings challenge. 21, so this is a plus 21. And then we're gonna go to our savings challenge number 1. Oh God, there you go. So we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. So we ended the month with $95 here. Plus 95. So our second savings challenge has 5, 10. So we have 10 plus 10. And our $5 challenge just have 1 5, so it's gonna be $5 plus 5. Okay, we're gonna put this away. So our coins jar has 3907. I don't know if you guys can see it. 3907, 3907. So it has 3907. So it's gonna be 3907 minus 3640. So it's gonna be a plus 267. Right? So now we're gonna go into our 100 envelope challenge. Let's add it up and see how much we save. So it's gonna be 100 plus 90 plus 60 plus 50 plus 40, 30, ay Dios, 20, ay Dios. Okay, we have to start again, I'm sorry. Okay, now we have 100 plus 90 plus 60 plus 50 plus 40, 30, 20, 10. So we have 9 plus 19 plus 28 plus 18 plus 8 plus, sorry for saying so many plus, that's how my brain works. I need to say plus for me to know that I already added that amount. 7 plus 7 plus 47 plus 6 plus 16 plus 25 plus 15 plus 5 plus 24 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So we have $691. That's a lot. Where is it? Okay, so here we have $691 minus 416. It's gonna be is a plus 275. Okay, we're gonna add everything and see how much we save for the entire month of May. So we have one. Okay, I'm gonna keep my mouth shut and I'm gonna try not to say a plus. So we save a total of $2,901.07. So minus 1737.40. So that's a plus. That is a plus 1,000. Wow, 163.67. Okay, guys. So this is how much we save for the entire month, and this is how much we actually added. So plus. That's a lot, to be sincere. That's actually a lot. I'm in shock. No, maybe for somebody else it's not a lot, but for me, especially with my situation that I spent, I don't know, in 2 months or maybe an entire month without working, this is a lot. Because I didn't I'm trying to stay on budget. Like, I'm trying not to spend as much as possible. And if I have if I'm struggling to save, I just put this away. Like, these envelopes, I put them away out of my eyes so I won't be able to see them. So guys, this is how much we saved, 2,901. That's how much we ended the month with, and this is how much we added, 1,163.67. So I'm gonna put this here. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. Thank you for all of those that you guys are subscribing and liking my videos. I hope we can get more subscribers. If you're watching this from TikTok, please check my bio and just click my link and check my videos out and see if you like it. If you like the savings and counting and hear it in the cash, the money sound, if you like any of this type of content, please make sure you go to my YouTube channel and you subscribe. That would be amazing for me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Have a blessed day. Go to church on Sunday so you will have a great week. Bye.